This is a quick video about how to make video or audio comments on a Google Doc. So you need to get the eComments add-on. Others may be available, but this is the one I've used and which seems to work. So you click on Add to Chrome, you click on Add Extension and all the permissions that it asks for, and there it is. So I'll show you how to use that. You open up a Google Doc and then you go to that sign at the top right and you will find the extension there. Then you need to switch that on, and it will give you a lot of pre-made comments there, which may well be quite useful, but in this case we're going to use the video or audio comment. If you want to make a comment, you highlight what you want to comment on, and then you can click on any of those video or audio symbols and you can make your comment. So you make a comment, and once you've made that, you click on stop recording and it gives you an opportunity to review what you have done, to either delete it or save it. You can even save it to the menu there and presumably reuse it. And then once you've clicked on that, it is there for the anybody else, so a pupil or anybody else who's looking at that document to watch or listen to. So that's how to do the video. To do the audio, it's very much the same thing. You highlight what you want to comment on, you click on one of the microphone symbols and you click on start recording. Then once you've made that comment, the same as before, you're given the opportunity to review that, and then you can either delete it or save it. And again, I believe you can save it so that you can reuse it also. Once you've finished, you can just click on hide and you can see the history of comments there. And then anybody who goes on to that who has permission, so a student or another member of staff, can either watch or listen to that clip that you have put on there. As you can see here, it also works with the video comments. As I said, I believe there are other ways of doing that, or there may well be, but that's just one that I've tried and that seems to work pretty well.